This tutorial covers how to design a halo cathedral ring entirely and even render it, everything using 2Shapes for Rhino. The design resulting from this guide will be composed of a cathedral ring where the round diamond halo will be set. Under the Shanks tab, click on the cathedral icon. Click on the Accept button in the top right corner. Select the United States of America region, then select the finger size 6.5. Click on the bottom right corner of the viewport and select the shaded display mode. Select the shank and click on the pencil button. Let's change the profile of this ring. Click on the profile preview and in the asset selector dialog, select organization and 005. We will also edit parameters like the top width to 2.3 mm, top height to 1.9 mm, bottom width to 3.0 mm, and bottom height to 1.9 mm. Change the parameters like the width to 6.0 mm, the height to 1.7 mm, the angle to 80 degrees and the tangent slider to 0. Once again, below you will find the parameters for the bridge. Change the width to 1.6 mm, the thickness to 0.8 mm, and the diameter to 0 mm. After making these modifications, it's an excellent time to apply the changes. Under the Gems tab, click on Gems Creator, select around 0.36 CT diamond and click on the plus button to add it. Click on the Accept button in the top right corner. Double-click on the green arrow and type 12.0 mm. Under the Stone Settings tab, click on the halo icon and the pencil button. Click on the Gem tab and set some parameters like the gem size to 1.3 mm, the minimum distance to 0.1 mm, the vertical to 0 mm, the bright cut to 0.1, the inner height to 0.6 mm, and the inner width to 1.2 mm. In prong settings, you can define the quantity of metal you want inside the gem and set the gem inside to 0.15 mm and the prong height to 0.7 mm. Select the round shape and set the width and height to 0.9 mm. Click on the Main Gem Prongs tab. Click on the third option, for rotated prongs, and change the mode to circle. Next, set the gem inside to 0.5 mm, height over to 0.7 mm, and channel inside to 0.2 mm. Click on the Metal tab. Change the width to 2.4 mm, the height to 1.5 mm, the distance to the gem to 0.1 mm, the Z position to 0, and the rotation to 10 degrees. Click on the Accept button in the top right corner. To see the Render and Animation tab, go to Settings and activate it. Click Render and Animation. Under the Material section and in the Metal category, select the elements and click on the white gold 18K material. Next, unselect everything, select the diamond, and under the Gem category, click on the diamond material. Set the perspective angle and distance you want your render to be. Click on the ray tracing icon. Under the Ground category, click on Basic Reflection. Select the prongs under the Material section and click on the white gold 18K material in the Metal category. Finally, set your preferred resolution and quality parameters and click on the Render button. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find more information at 2shapes.com.